Hey, I'm News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman, and we're getting results at Ken's home today in Apopka, getting the paint bubbles out of his front door. And there's one thing you really need to know when you do this. You're going to start out by sanding every single spot where the paint is raised, and then you're going to keep sanding. Okay, now here's the key. Every single spot that you sand down, you got to make sure to get to the bare surface. In this case, you can see it's metal because it's a metal door. This is the wood trim over the door. But otherwise, if you don't, the primer and the paint aren't going to stick like it did here. All right, now that we got the sanding done, we're going to wipe down the entire door to get the dust off, and then we're going to paint. Primer first, then the color. All right, Ken, tell me what you think.
This looks really great. Thank you so much, guys.
I think what was going on is the sun was kind of baking the door, and we also found some rust spots when we sanded it down.
Okay.
So
But to see it smooth, amazing.
it's smooth and no more bubbles.
Yep, thanks. Yep.
My pleasure. And hey, if there's a project at your house you'd like us to tackle, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com, and next week we might just show up at your door. For now in Apopka, Eric Von Anken, Getting Results, News 6.
I'm impressed again, Eric. Every time he makes it look so easy.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you'd like to watch that again, we have put the repair on clickorlando.com. Just look under the Getting Results at Home tab. And Eric also posted step-by-step instructions and a list of materials with links so you can try that yourself.
And like Eric said, we're looking for the next DIY project. Maybe it's yours. Send an email and tell us what we can help you out with at your home.